Hello, fighter survivors and thrivers. Welcome to the Cancer Show. It's Sunday, and I wanted to share the puppies with you. They're eating right now. So adorable. You see? Big heavy sigh from Delilah. They eat a lot, nonstop. And then we have this little one over here taking a nap. They still haven't opened their eyes yet. And then there's this little one taking a nap. Oh, this one's talking. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Oh, it's like a little pig. And then this one. Hi, buddy. This one's making a move. So fascinating. They're always connected to each other. Last night I took a picture. I have to post it. And they were literally in a circle together. All connected. Delilah, the mom, was not there, but they were all connected. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh goodness. They move a lot when they dream too. The beginning of life. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So third day. Day 3. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Oh, down. My goodness. Oh dear. Oh wow. Now I know what dog eat dog means, because when they go in for their milk, wow, it's serious business. They just like push each other over to get to the milk. They leave no puppy behind. Oh, Delilah is adjusting. Too tired. So when I was, when my children were little, you could buy these like ant farms. They were in like this clear plastic container, and you could see everything that they were doing. They still have them. I can't remember the company's name, but they're super cool. And as a parent, I would find myself at the end of the night just watching these ants do their job, cleaning up their path. It was like a maze. Yeah, it was like a maze. Or tunnels, I should say. And it's just so fascinating. It's the same way with the pups. I could literally, watch them all day. Oh my goodness. I mean, if you're an animal lover like I am, this is like heaven. And these two, oh my goodness. Back to back. There's a little pause. Back over here. And Delilah is just relaxing. This one's having another dream. Oh, big stretch, big stretch. The company also had butterfly butterfly, like atrium. And you would get cocoons, and then they would turn into butterflies. Really great for your children to see. If you have little ones, you got to check that out. Everybody's relaxing. Easy Sunday. Went to church. Popped some cinnamon buns in the oven. Put a slow cooking roast in the crock pot. The teens are hanging, chilling with their friends. And I've got some work to do. They're still drinking. Usually they're all over there. The fact that they're half are sleeping and literally half, 4 and 4, are half are drinking, feeding, is unusual. Oh, dreams, 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 dreams. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. I hope you got to do some meditating, maybe online church or online meditation, or maybe you have your own way of praising. Hope you're setting up for a wonderful week after this pandemic Thanksgiving. We got puppies on Thanksgiving. We got 8 puppies, so we're so grateful. That was our Thanksgiving gift. The vet said 2 months and 2 days. The puppies came exactly on 2 months and 2 days, which was Thanksgiving. And I'm like, oh, it'll be a miracle if they show up on Thanksgiving. And they showed up. And after dinner, which was so kind of them, so thoughtful. Or I should say, Delilah. Oh. We're going to have to start naming them. We're waiting for them to get a little bit older so we can see their personalities and their fur marks. Because when they first came out, they just all looked one color. Oh, this one's looking hard. Oh, this one's back in the dream stream. Stream in the dream. Oh, this one just fell asleep. It's a milk coma. Just asleep on Mommy's paw. Hi, Mommy. Oh, look. Oh, such a sweetheart. I know. I at first I'd be afraid when I heard that, and I would like go rescue, but they actually have it under control. Or Delilah will take care of it. Oh, goodness. Oh, there she. Oh, yeah, she's readjusting for them. You good, mommy. You good, mommy. Oh, baby wants to cuddle with you. Oh, baby wants to cuddle. Oh. And these two are working out. Delilah, make that happen. She's adjusting. What are you doing with your paws? Doing a little jig over there? Okay, fighters, survivors, and thrivers, I do wish you a very, very happy Sunday. I see you tomorrow, 7 a.m., Cancer-Centric Meditation, right here on The Cancer Show, Facebook Live. I look forward to it. Don't forget to remind yourself how amazing you are, how strong you are, how you got this, and we got you. Please send me a private message if you have any questions or you just want to talk. And I hope that you enjoyed this little video of life in action, new life. Super cute puppies. For animal lovers, this is heaven. Especially dogs. And I love dogs. I love dogs. Okay, daily mantra. I am healthy. I am happy. I am whole. I am healthy. I am happy. I am whole. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Goodbye. Or good morning. It depends. You're awesome. You're amazing. Don't give up. Deep breaths. Positive thoughts. Let's do the work and get you through. That's like paws in the air, like you just don't care. That's a pose. Okay, we're going to end it on the perfect pose. Perfect pose.